to do is get in front of that decision maker, whether it's on a Zoom or in person. These are the materials we wanted to use because it's an interactive type of process. So, right, Ken?
Yes, it is. And that's a great point, Kathy. Going through a lot of this, folks, I know some of the things you're asking for. We do have a new piece that you'll be able to utilize. It's a great piece, even just to educate yourself. We will highlight that piece next week on the scoop. Next week, we'll get into more detail about next week because you're going to see it posted everywhere. You don't want to miss next week, but we'll go over the new market material that we do have. And this piece is like a 4-page document, but it's really to educate yourself. And like Kathy said, some of the terminology that we use, just so that everything that we produce and send out to the field or post, be it these consumer sheets, training, everything we do has to go through legalshield legal department, not to provide our law firms, but anything that we do to produce out, we make sure it matches the solution side, so there's an input, and then it also has to go through legalshield legal. That's in-house legal team to make sure the verbiage is correct. So anything that we produce has to go through that process. Kathy mentioned about the flip book. You know, it's material that we already have here that we're submitting, and normally it's not done through a flip book, as Kathy mentioned.
And remember, we've been talking all along, family.